Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to enable microphone on Android. So if you want to enable microphone generally on your Android phone, or if you want to enable microphone for a particular application, then this is what you simply need to do. So if at the end of this you find this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now, to enable microphone access on your Android phone, all you need to do is go ahead and open the settings app. On the settings, scroll down, locate and click on security and privacy. Under security and privacy, you want to scroll down and then click on controls and alerts. Under controls and alerts, you should see microphone access. If microphone access is disabled in your own case and you want to turn it on, all you need to do is toggle this on and then you are good. However, if you want to turn on microphone access for a specific application on your Android phone, all you need to do while in settings is scroll down and click on apps. Underneath the applications, locate the apps whose microphone access you want to turn on. So once you click on that, go ahead and click on permission. Underneath permission, you should see microphone access if there is a need for microphone. So click on it, click on permission, and then locate microphone access under permission and then enable it. So that's exactly how to enable microphone on Android. If you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.